Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Rudy here with your yard service on my home turf. In the distance you can see, and maybe hear, that sprinkler going there in the center, doing its thing. And the reason why, a week ago I have top dressed this lawn here, just this little area here in front of the house. I have top dressed this lawn for overseeding purpose. And I have applied a premium garden mix which contains topsoil, sand, compost, manure, and peat moss, I believe. So I've put on a small layer of that, evenly distributed, worked it in with a rake, and then worked in the seeds. And now I've set up the watering system here. As you can see in the center there, it's doing its thing, keeping it moist 24/7. I've also hooked up the timer, so I'm off the hook, so to speak. I'm not a slave to my project here. So I will let this run, have this set up with the sprinklers and the timer for another 5 weeks minimum. Let's say till the end of September. Because I want to have those little seedling puppies developed strong and healthy before heading into the winter. So you can see the lawn is lush and green thanks to the water. And now also the compost will do its thing. Ideally, you aerate your lawn before your top dressing. So those holes help the top dressing fall down right into the root level where they are most beneficial. Anyways, beautiful clouds, puffy day. And sprinklers done for now, shut off. And so am I. Now I'm waiting patiently for some seedlings to appear, and they appear just like magic, just like when you think they won't, then they come. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or inquiries, comments down below. Give us a call at 780-218-8134 or check out our website, youryardservice.com. And with that, I wish you a great late summer. Whatever project you want to do, much success to you and the project, of course. And I will see you in the lawn.